This is the image that will haunt India for many, many years. Himanshi Narwal sitting in shock and stoic silence beside the dead body of her husband in Pahalgam. Dreams of a married life that had just begun, brutally shattered in just 6 days as her husband was killed in front of her. On Wednesday afternoon, Narwal's mortal remains were brought to the IGI airport in Delhi in a casket draped in tricolour from Kashmir. The visuals of her tribute to 26-year-old Lieutenant Vinay Narwal of the Indian Navy filled the wailing hearts with the silence of compassion and anger at the same time. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, who was also present, also saluted the coffin and spoke to Himanshi, condoling her loss. Entire India is shocked and stoic watching these images, with emotions oscillating between sheer anger and heartfelt condolences. Narwal had been serving at the Southern Naval Command in Kochi for the past 1.5 years. He was married on April 16. The duo wanted to go to Switzerland, but visa delays sent them to Pahalgam instead. Narwal was on leave and vacationing in Kashmir when he was fatally shot in the attack. The memories of marriage were still fresh in everyone's mind when the tragedy befell, and now everything lies in shatters.
हमारे पड़ोस में ही है नरवाल जी। अभी शादी हुई थी इनकी, 4 दिन पहले रिसेप्शन थी। सारी गली में खुशी का माहौल था। ये जानकारी मिली कि आतंकवादियों ने उनको पूछ के गोली मार दी है।
Narwal is survived by his father Rajesh Narwal, an employee in the excise department, his mother Asha Narwal, his sister Srishti, and his grandfather Hawa Singh. Hawa Singh said that he is confident that if his brave grandson was not shot, he would have killed at least 2-3 terrorists.
मुझे यकीन है क्यों वो अगर वो ऐसे गोली ना लगती तो शायद 2-4 आदमियों को तो वैसे ही पछाड़ देता। इतनी उसमें गुंज शादी तो 16 तारीख की थी और 19 तारीख की रिसेप्शन थी। आज 3 दिन के बाद ये मातम फैल गया।
Earlier in the day, Navy Chief Admiral Tripathi paid tribute to Lieutenant Vinay Narwal in a post on X. The Navy also expressed its thoughts and prayers for the families of the victims and wished a speedy recovery to those injured. The last rites were held in evening in Karnal, where Narwal's wife broke down and stood inconsolable at the funeral. Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini, fellow officers, family members, and other key dignitaries were present. The Navy personnel offered a gun salute as mortal remains were consigned to flames.